Hello guys, I hope you are doing well, and in this video we are analyzing GBP AUD. Basically the trade is running and I also posted it on my YouTube channel right now. This is the trade I just posted, and TPSL is on Telegram. So at this time we are just analyzing how I take this trade and what was my logic, what things I notice, then I take this trade. As I already mentioned in my every video that bias are the rare and most important thing. Most important. Market structure shift is everywhere. Everywhere. This is market structure shift. This is everything. Everywhere market structure shift. Everywhere. But how we can find an amazing trades and logical trades, real money. These concepts give us a freedom like bias, liquidity, order flows. These are amazing things, not just SMC and ICT and price action. Not. If you can find liquidity, if you can find your bias, you can simply trade. What I do here, I will show you. See, I just find my bias of 4 hours. Where is bias? These are bias. Okay, these are the bias. Those have been taken. Okay, now my next 4-hour bias are this. Oh sorry, wait, I just miss it out. We need to use fractal. We need also use to fractal. I know at this point 4-hour saying that bias are done, but I am using fractal. By the help of fractal I will see that exactly my bias are done. Wait and see. Yes, my bias are done. Okay, this was an amazing thing. I show you. Okay, my 4-hour basically bias are these. Okay, and market has done these bias, and now market bias are these. These are the market next bias of 4-hour. According to 4-hour, every time frame has different bias. Every time frame has its own bias. Okay, 4-hour bias are these. Okay, and now I just go to another time frame like 31 hour and blah blah blah. Okay, this. Now when I came into 1 hour, I just saw these also some bias are remaining. These are bias are remaining, and market will typically complete this bias and then target another bias. Okay, I just saw this in 1 hour and 2 hour. 2-hour bias, 1 hour bias, 30-hour bias. We can also verify our bias with the help of fractal. We can't do anything in the market without fractal. Fractal is the best thing we have, because price is fractal. Simple. So now what I have seen, I know next my 4-hour bias are these. Okay, and also these are tabbed. When I use fractal saying that my 4-hour bias are here, not just here. Okay, when I come into 1 hour, 1 hour say that your bias are here, temporary bias, 1-hour bias are done here. What I see, I know now market will trigger my another bias, and I find my another bias. As I know here is nothing else, then I use fractal. When I use fractal, I see another bias. I see, I just target them. Okay, I just target them. Now my bias are these are my bias. Okay, 1 hour bias are completed, another 1 hour bias are these, and what I see here, I just see 3 hour structure shift. You know, 3 minute your 3 minute structure. Just see 3 minute structure shift. I just trade here. Okay, I just take entry. I also know that market can't go beyond this, above this. Okay, whenever market comes into my area, I just take entry, and now I am waiting for my TP. And I also know that market will take and pull back, because these are areas I already mentioned. Okay, so let's see what market do, our TP hit or our SL hit. And I will also mention in the on my YouTube community post, because I mention everything, like my SL, like my TPs, everything, so you can see. So right now I am just waiting, and okay, see you in next upcoming video. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.